leader for Lunatics, and tonight we're about to have a huge event, auto and racing, and later on we're going to do some boxing. The reason being that we need to get the server stand together so we can go on and fight together and strong when other servers attack us. So this is why we are doing this type of event, and we do it.
In this bitch, nigga. Are you off it? I shit away. Badly mad, yeah. Doctor, it's Lana. Let's call him Tindana. Tell him when he finds Tindana. Sashi, tell him who's Zanda. I don't even know what I'm saying in this song, but I'm just rap.
This is allowed.
Can I conduct the race? It's okay. The next is gonna be
the lunatics living the dream. The streets are stage, the engine screams. This life ain't quiet, it's full of gleam. Fast wheels spinning round and round. Bass so heavy it shakes the